This video is a quick demo of the IPinfo Splunk app. To get started, you can install the IPinfo Splunk app from within Splunk itself, or you can download the SPL file from Splunk Base and load it into Splunk manually. For advanced installation instructions, we recommend checking out our documentation portal. During the installation process, you will be prompted to set up the app. Here, you can choose between the API option and the database downloads option. Pick the one that suits your needs. If you are subscribed to both, we recommend choosing the database downloads option. If you choose database downloads, you will be prompted to select the databases you are subscribed to. For this demo, we are selecting IPinfo Lite, IPinfo Core, and the IP2 location database. You can configure the advanced options here as well. After that, you can set up proxy configuration and declare custom certificates. For our advanced Splunk users, we provide detailed guidance on proxies, custom certificates, and firewall settings in our documentation. For this demo, we will go through the standard configuration. Once that is done, you can save the configuration. Note that you can always change the configuration later from the Manage Apps section. After the app is set up, you will be redirected to it. The Overview section provides an app-level summary, including usage, limits, and database status. In the IPinfo section, you can query IP addresses against the database downloads or API you are subscribed to. The search section is the main interface for running queries using SPL and our app-specific commands and parameters. It supports both single IP lookups and bulk IP lookups. The log status section shows logs related to the IPinfo Splunk app and can be used to diagnose app-level operations such as database download schedules. The refresh section lets you trigger a manual refresh of database downloads ahead of their automatic schedule. The documentation section redirects you to our Splunk documentation hosted on our website. Now let's review the main functionality of the IPinfo Splunk app. We will start with a single IP address lookup. We will use a random generated IP address and look it up against the IP2 location database. If you want to use the API service instead, you can set REST API to true. You can also look up many IP addresses at once. Here we are looking up 20 IP addresses from the IP2 location database. We can also switch to IPinfo Lite, our free tier, available to everyone. Splunk supports both database downloads and API for all our products, including IPinfo Lite. Let's try IPinfo Core as well. We recommend new users explore the IPinfo docs to learn more about our Splunk integration. If you need any support, feel free to reach out to us. Explore IPinfo on Splunk by scanning this QR code or by visiting ipinfo.io/integrations/Splunk.